Hello everybody! Welcome to English for Starters for the 11th grade, the scientific section.
History of the universe. In this episode, we're going to talk about formation of the solar system, the future of the universe.
In this lesson, we are going to continue talking about our great universe. How was the solar system formed? And what is the future of the universe? In this lesson, we will answer these questions.
Formation of the solar system.
After the Big Bang, matter in the universe separated into galaxies. Gas and dust spread throughout the space in our galaxy. Where the solar system is now, there was only cold, dark, gas and dust. About 5 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust, or a nebula, collapsed to form the solar system. Slowly, the nebula shrank to form a spinning disk. As gravity pulled some of the gas into the center of the disk, the gas became hot and dense enough for nuclear fusion to begin. The sun was born. Elsewhere in the disk, gas and dust formed solid spheres smaller than the sun. The spheres closest to the sun lost most of their gases and became the inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The spheres farthest from the sun became the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Between the inner planets and the gas giants, the asteroids formed. Beyond the gas giants, a huge cloud of ice and other substances formed. This cloud is probably the main source of comets. Pluto also formed in this region.
How did the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars come into existence?
The spheres closest to the Sun lost most of their gases and became the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars.
The future of the universe.
What will happen to the universe in the future? One possibility is that the universe will continue to expand as it is doing now. All of the stars will eventually run out of fuel and burn out, and the universe will be cold and dark. Another possibility is that the force of gravity will begin to pull the galaxies back together. The result will be a reverse Big Bang or Big Crunch. all of the matter in the universe will be crushed into an enormous black hole. Which of these possibilities is more likely? The answer depends on how strong the total force of gravity pulling the galaxies together is. This force depends on the total mass of the universe. It is very difficult for astronomers to estimate this mass because much of it is in the form of particles that do not give off electromagnetic radiation. The evidence so far suggests that the total mass of the universe is not great enough to pull the galaxies back together again. However, more research needs to be done to solve this problem. What might happen to the universe in the future?
One possibility is that the universe will continue to expand, as it is doing now. All of the stars will eventually run out of fuel and burn out, and the universe will be cold and dark. Another possibility is that the force of gravity will begin to pull the galaxies back together. The result will be a reverse Big Bang or Big Crunch. All of the matter in the universe will be crushed into an enormous black hole.
Astronomy is one of the oldest sciences, but there are still many discoveries to be made and puzzles to be solved about this universe of ours. By this, we come to the end of the whole series of our book. We hope that everything was clear enough for you. I want you to study very well in order to not only pass your exams, but also get very high marks. For any questions or suggestions, please do contact us on the following addresses. See you. Bye-bye.